One of the great challenges in this world is knowing enough about a subject to think you're right, but not enough about the subject to know you're wrong.
Good morning, fifth grade scholars. Mr. Kamai here, back again with another video. What we're going to talk about today, we're going to continue with what we were learning from last week. So this week we're going to be talking about how to find volume of a composite figure. Well, let's look at this problem that's right in front of us. Step one, what we want to do is, what I want you guys to do is, take a minute, pause this video, and then answer these three questions. Well, the three questions that I want you to ask yourself is, what is this problem about? What are we trying to find out? What's the point of us doing this problem? What information in this problem are important? What are the important information in the problem? So pause the video and answer these three questions really quickly with your partner. Answer it with your dad, your mom, your cousin, brother, or friend. If you have a friend next to you, go ahead and answer these three questions before we continue. I'm glad you paused the video. Now that we're back. So after you answer those three questions, what you want to do is you want to support, you want to solve and support your thinking. Well, how will we solve this problem? All right, first you just want to solve the problem. The goal here is to, since we have an irregular shape or composite figure, as you all know, we can cut this shape vertically. The reason why I want to cut this shape vertically, because if I cut it vertically, one of my prism will have all the three dimensions, right? Prism A will have all the three dimensions. So as you all can see, prism A will have a length of 2, because that's how tall it is. I see a 2 here. I know that this side here is congruent. Since it's parallel to this side, therefore it's definitely going to be parallel here. So 2, I had 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So the length of prism A will be 2 feet. Make sure you're copying this down. The height of prism A will be 4 feet. H will be 4 feet. Make sure you have that down. The width, that side piece right over here, it tells you what the width is right over here. It will be 4 feet as well. The width is 4 feet. Go ahead and use a different color. That the length of prism A is equals to 2 feet. What did we say the height for prism A was? The height, H, is equals to how tall it is equals to 4 feet. All right? The width right over here, the side piece of prism A, right? How thick it is the width. The width is going to be 4 feet as well, because 4 feet is right over there. 4 feet. So that is for prism A, all right? I can quickly go ahead and find the volume for prism A by simply using the volume formula, which is equals to length times width times height. Can somebody also give me another formula that I can use for volume? I'll give you about 15 seconds. Exactly. The volume for a prism will also be base times height. All right, so let's quickly do that. So I know that 2 times 4 is equals to 8. 8 times 4 will also give me my volume, which is here, 8 times 4, or 2 times 4 times 4. As you can see, I'm writing down all my work. I'm showing down all my work. 8 times 4 is equals to 32. 32 cubic feet. Volume is measured in cubic feet. So that's the volume of this prism, 32 cubic feet. Not square feet, cubic feet. Volume is measured in cubic feet because it is a 3D shape. I am not done yet. So now what I'm going to have you guys do, let's look at prism B. Prism B gets a little tricky. It gets a little tricky. If you look at the original prism, the whole entire thing here at the bottom was 6 feet. Would this be equals to 6 feet? No, it would not be equals to 6 feet. The reason why it's not equals to 6 feet, because we cut the shape. We separated the shape. This here was 2 feet. If this here was 2 feet and the whole entire thing together was 6 feet, what would you do to find the length of this prism? Exactly, you will subtract 6 minus 2 to give you the remaining part, which is 4 feet. Now let's work on prism B. The length of prism B, I'm going to label that here, prism B. The length of prism B will be 4 feet. All right. The height of prism B is right over here. How tall is that prism? The height of prism B is 2 feet. So I know that the height is 2 feet. Now, let's mark that down. Height, 2 feet. Make sure you write your units, 2 feet. The width of prism B is going to be 4 feet. How do I know that, you may ask, Mr. Kamara? Well, how do I know? Because as you can see, I'm going back to the original figure. How thick is this piece right over here? By simply just following this corner, seeing, okay, this corner is parallel to this corner, so therefore it's congruent. It's the exact same length. Then I go up. This corner is also parallel to this corner. This here, this side is parallel to this side. So therefore, the width is going to be 4 feet. All right? 4 feet. Now, let's go ahead and find the volume for this as well. Length times width times height. As you can see, I have 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Let's go ahead and write that down. 4 times 2 times 4 is equals to 8 times 4, which is equals to 32. 32 what? 32 cheeseburgers? 32 Jolly Ranchers? No, 32 cubic feet. So prism B is also 32 cubic feet. Now I need to go ahead and combine the volume for both to find the volume of this irregular shape. 32 plus 32 is equals to 64 cubic feet. So I know that the volume of this irregular shape is 64 cubic feet. Now what I want you to do is pause the video, make sure you copy down my notes. If you don't have it, and if you wasn't following, go back and rewind the video so you can understand each and every step that I took to find the volume of this irregular shape. What I want you to do now, I want you to do that same exact problem. Ask your partner, what is another way you could have used to find the volume of this irregular shape? Do you always have to cut your shape vertically? What's another way, what's another step that you could have taken to find the volume of this irregular shape? Right? After you get done doing so, I need you to go ahead and solve. This is not optional. This is not optional. This is your classwork for today. you're going to solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems for your classwork. I am going to post these questions on Google Classroom for you to solve. Pretty much what I want you to do is take the L shape and just figure out another way. All right, do not take the route that I took. Figure out another way that you can use to find the volume of this same irregular shape of this composite figure. All right, so after you get done answering these 5 questions, make sure you submit them on Google Classroom so you can get the grade that you deserve. So I will see you tomorrow, same time.